second round. Last round, second nature, last round. On deck, underground flow versus all or nothing. Judges. Alright, they call it for what it is. And I agree. We need one more round. Judges say we need one more round. One man, one man. One round to each crew, just one. Pick your guy, pick your guy. Whenever you're ready.
quicker, you know, so that we can get out of here on time. And so we didn't give them more rounds, but yo, they did exactly what they were supposed to do with all the rounds they were given. Give it up for that. Both of these crews just came real hard with it. Whew.
All right, take it to the judges. Judges, 3, 2. On deck, underground flow versus all or nothing. On deck, underground flow versus all or nothing.
You got caught on the tire.
Just do it. Go ahead.
Yo, let me do a good battle though.
That was a sick battle. That was one of the best B-Boy battles I've seen in a while. Long, long time. Give it up, give it up.
It's a long video.
Let's do it. All right. 3, 2, 1. Beatz of Warfare takes it.